Talk, Yumak. Did you eat the strawberry? Say it.
What happened, kids? Is there a problem?
The strawberry on the cake in the kitchen was stolen, Father. Our butler, Yumak, could have taken it.
I see. Right. The butler. I actually remember Yamak running into the kitchen at noon. Mr. Amin brought the newspaper. He walked in because he didn't see anyone. Yamak followed him into the kitchen, and that's the last I know.
Mr. Amin, we need to call him over immediately.
How about we order some milk, Miss Detective?
We want to talk to you about a strawberry which was taken around 11, Mr. Amin.
Did you want some strawberries, kids? There's strawberries at my store. I'll bring some.
You can't go anywhere, Mr. Emin.
You are so funny, kids. How can I bring you strawberries if I don't go first? You kids are as funny as you, Mr. Kanan.
A red, shiny strawberry on the table of the kitchen.
Don't do it. I'm ticklish. Of course. I have both strawberries and apples. Listen to me. Let me bring you back whatever you want, okay, kids?
You brought the newspaper to us at noon, didn't you?
Yes. I remember it now. Mr. Kanan, where are you? I brought your newspaper. Be careful, Yumak.
You're saying it fell off the table?
I don't know. I didn't see, but I saw Mr. Kanan. I gave him his newspaper and went back to the market.
Maddie, they come from somewhere very far. Minnie, Maddie, they came to see all new things. Every moment, everywhere.